we have also started talking about numbers, and we have done the number 1. We hold up one finger to help represent the number 1. When we write the number 1, this is why we practiced the line down last week. To help us learn how to write the number 1, we start at the top and make a line down for when we are writing the number 1. Line down, 1. And we also started talking about how we use dice to help us recognize numbers in a set and be able to say, oh, that's 1 without having to count. They did 1 page in their Learning Without Tears book. They did the work up at the top. They have smiley faces to show the students where to start writing. Then they went down to the bottom. They traced their ones, and then I had them make their own ones. And then on the caterpillar, they practiced their line down to help learn the writing of the number 1. We also have small Learning Without Tears books for our numbers. So we got to look at that and continue practicing writing their numbers 1. 1 sun. And here we have practicing of the number 1. And this went home this week as well, practicing the 1. 1 egg, 1 chick. 1 head, 1 trunk. And then I also talk about how this is an elephant. 0 fish. We really work on knowing the number 0 as well and not calling it a circle or an O or a none. We want them to know that it is a 0. And here we have 1 fish. 1 tail, 1 whale. Whale tail. They rhyme. They both end in ale. Ale, ale. 1 wheelbarrow, 1 wheel. 1 head, the front of the horse. 1 tail, the back of the horse. Then we had a few nursery rhymes. Now, we do call this shape a crescent throughout the year. But of course, in the nursery rhyme, it does say moon, but I do mention that it's called a crescent using the scientific word. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. And here we have 1 star. And I love saying this one. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. We practice some positional words with using cups and caps. They practice having the cup up and then moving the cup down. They put the cup back up so they could put the cap in. Then they took the cap out. They moved the cup down to put the cap on, working on those positional words. And then we have the ant song. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down into the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. I do add some extra booms to the song, and I practice counting the ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when they practiced counting, I did make sure that they were touching each one as they counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to work on their one-to-one correspondence.